Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You begin by validating the SolarWinds NPM build and license to avoid feature gaps. Next, load SNMP, WMI, and ICMP credentials into the Credential Manager so probes can authenticate. This prevents blind spots. Once done, define discovery scopes, add seed IPs and sitter ranges, set polling intervals and time windows to minimize impact. You're doing this to let NPM map dependencies accurately and collect baseline metrics right away, rather than reconfiguring after a failed discovery. You now assign nodes to specific polling engines and increase concurrency for rapid coverage, because distributed polling avoids bottlenecks. Then tune threshold templates, adjust response, availability, and latency thresholds to reduce false positives while preserving sensitivity. Once done, build alert actions with clear escalation steps and automate remediation scripts where possible. Finally, map dependencies with topology and netpath. This shows why an alert propagated and helps you prioritize fixes based on service impact. You finish by running capacity and trending reports to validate polling and to plan growth. Compare 7, 30, and 90-day windows. Then selectively enable net flow or packet captures on high-impact links to identify traffic patterns and root causes. Don't turn on flow everywhere. Once done, optimize retention and database maintenance to keep performance snappy. If alerts flood your console, isolate the noisy node, mute or throttle its alerts, and recalibrate thresholds before reintroducing it into production monitoring.
Thanks for watching, and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.